Haben Sie auch noch so eine alte?
What kind of marvels were the old SLR cameras compared to today's lightweights? Digital photography has so many advantages that it makes analog completely obsolete, at least in the private sector. Films are no longer available or too expensive, but the great cameras, should we just throw them away? How much great equipment is just waiting to be disposed of? But it's taking a turn. Don't give it away. Old cameras can finally be digitized. The analog to digital conversion kit 0104 from LIRPA Laboratories is affordable and can be installed in no time. So far, it is only available for cameras with 36mm films. A 6x6 version is in preparation, but it won't be available before beginning of April 22. After the conversion, your camera will still be the same as before, except no film is needed. And there is also no LCD display. You still aim through the viewfinder. Your pictures are stored on the micro SD card, which you can use to transfer the images into your computer when you're back home. And here is what I received yesterday, March 31st. You see the sensor, the digital cartridge with the removable micro SD card. The USB connector underneath cannot be seen on this picture. It is important that the surface of the sensor is perfectly clean. Now try to place the sensor symmetrically over the opening and don't glue it. Just take a little bit of tape and tape it so we can adjust it after we have taken the first pictures. Make sure the wires will not be squeezed when you close the cover. Be aware that the aspect ratio of your camera remains the same, so no widescreen pictures. Now we're ready for the first picture to take. Well, the alignment of the sensor is not perfect. We have to shift the sensor a little bit. Wow, much better. And also the two other pictures look good. And now I hope you experience the same success with your old camera. Thank you for watching.